Hello, MNPS families and staff. I hope you are enjoying the winter break so far and are finding time to refresh after what has been a very challenging year for all of us. All of our metrics indicate that here in Nashville and Tennessee, we have the highest level of spread of COVID-19 since the pandemic began. As a result, we are going to be starting the second semester all virtually on January 7th. We have to see some progress being made to slow or stop the spread of this virus before it will be safe to open our buildings for in-person learning. Last month, we released the COVID-19 risk score that will allow everyone to track the city's progress. On Friday, our risk score was at 10 out of 10 based on the metrics provided by the Metro Health Department. We need to see that number get below 7 before it would be safe to start bringing any students back into the classroom. We have a lot of progress to make as a city, state, and country before that can happen. We have to get the spread of the virus under control and take seriously the public health precautions required of us to protect ourselves and others, such as avoiding groups outside of our personal bubbles and wearing masks whenever we are around others. As a district, we are looking to take additional precautions and implement safety protocols to keep our students, staff, and all of their families safe. Working with Meharry Medical College, we have developed plans for a testing program of students and staff to more quickly identify cases of COVID-19 in our schools so that we can further reduce the possibility of transmission of the virus. We have already allocated Federal CARES Act funding towards the hiring of additional school nurses so that we have at least one in all of our schools. This program is a partnership with the Metro Public Health Department, and we are exploring all available avenues and partnerships to identify staff to support the health and well-being of our students. In addition to the school nurses, we're working with Meharry to explore additional supports for schools to help ensure health and safety protocols are being followed. Finally, the COVID-19 vaccines are slowly starting to arrive at area hospitals to protect frontline healthcare workers and our society's most vulnerable populations against this virus. We will work closely with both Meharry and the Health Department on a vaccine distribution plan for those who want it, while continuing to advocate for the prioritization of teachers and school staff for receiving the vaccine, as education is one of the most essential functions of our society. While we look for the reduction of community spread and work with our partners to make schools even safer for students and staff alike, we are not losing sight of our need to support students in the virtual environment. We will also continue to operate our outdoor virtual learning help centers Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. when schools are in session. And we'll be providing breakfast and lunch meals at no cost to all children 18 and under for the remainder of the 2020-21 school year. The team and I here at MNPS are committed to supporting students and families in this process. I know that many are bone tired of this pandemic and wanting it to end quickly. We all do. But as the recent numbers have shown, this virus is not done with us, and we must remain vigilant if we're going to keep our students, staff, and families safe. Team MNPS, stay strong. Thank you.